Hello, today we're going to learn to add using the part-whole model. The part-whole model are circles joined by lines. This is the whole or the total, and then here we've got two parts. Here's one part, here's the other part. So I'm going to put a number of buttons into my whole. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 buttons. That's my total. And we can break the 6 buttons, the total, into 2 parts. So we could put one button here, and then we could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the other part. We could do it a different way. We could put 1, 2 into this part, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 into the other part. Can you think of a different way that we could group our buttons? Yeah, we could put 1, 2, 3 into this part, and 1, 2, 3 into the other part. We could do 1, 2, 3, 4 in this part, and 1, 2 into the other part. We could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this part, and 1 in the other part. Or we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this part, and 0 in the other part. Okay, so we can use this to help us to add two numbers together to find the whole or the total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 in this part. In the other part, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 buttons. So I want to find out the total of 7 add 3. 7 add 3. So we need to move our buttons up into the whole or the total at the top here and find out how many we've got all together. So I'm going to write, our problem is 7 buttons add 3 buttons. We need to find out what its total is. So let's put them up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to add on, count on 8, 9, 10. So that's our total. So 7 add 3 is equal to 10. Okay, now we don't have to use buttons. We can write some numbers in our sections here, in our parts. So we're going to have 9 in this part. Then I'm going to write 5 in this part. So we want to find out 9 add 5. 9 add 5. So we can use our number line to help us with this one. So we're going to start at 9 in our first part here, and we are going to count on 5. So we're going to do 5 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our 5 jumps. So 9 add 5 is equal to 14. 1 and 4 is 14. So that is our total. So we're going to put our total here, 14. So we can add our 2 parts together, and it can help us to find the total or the whole. Why don't you have a go?